Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm in my art room, ready to have some R&R. I'm using some, this is a metallic, I think it's called metallic purple, I can't remember. It's kind of a mauve, metallic mauve, and I'm going to use it to coat the bottom of this particular canvas. Yeah, I think I might even pour it on. It's already can see some like really lovely metallic colours in there coming through. So I'm just doing this huge big round. So it's a nice big canvas to have a play with. I might just start spreading it out with my sponge brush. Yes, I had previously poured on this canvas. I didn't quite like the outcome, so I just scraped the paint off and started again. And yes, you can definitely do that, so don't be afraid if there's something you don't really like about your artwork, just start again. So I'm not worrying too much about going over the edges on this one. Oh, this is really, I know you're probably not getting this on the camera, but it's really got a, you can sort of see reds and shimmering colours coming through there, so it's a really nice colour. I'll pick it out and show you what it was in a minute. Yeah, that's lovely. That's really nice. Okay, so what I want to do with this big one, this biggie, is I want to blow some really lovely colours, or create some lovely colours in there, and give them a bit of a blow around, I guess. So I'm going to try and do it like a garland around. So this yellow deep, I'm thinking I'm gonna just probably could do this better on a spinner, I guess. But whatever you do, just enjoy it. I say, just really enjoy it. I'm going to go in here now with the deep purple. It's beautiful, look at that. I'm going to add some metallic champagne gold in here. That is a little bit thick. Let's see how we go. It's not meant to be perfect in a circle or any description, because it's going to have a few different techniques yet to bring it all together. And this is a fluoro orange. I might go red in here. Really gonna load the colours in. I know you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, what is she doing? Sometimes I think that too, but most of the time pretty lucky that they turn out okay. So go with the flow. Add a drizzle of white in here. I know it's lots of colour, but it's going to be a garland type, something bright and cheery. Bright and cheery. I'm not sure if I should put some black in there, or it might send it a bit ooh-bar, but I'm going to just start off with my little mini dryer. Everybody asks me every time. I got it from a charity shop and I cannot find exactly. It was obviously a child's, that's my gecko, a child's baby-less dryer. It's just a child's one and it bends backwards, so it is actually perfect for blowing paint. So I'm going to just blow on low first. not really doing. Oh, I like that already. So now I'll start to blow out. Oh, I am loving the shimmering colours coming up. Don't really want to blow too much further. Just little areas I can see. Got a really good feeling about this one. I'm going to whiz over now with my heat wand. I have a plan for it. It's definitely not finished, so bear with me because this is super duper colourful. You're thinking, what is she doing with the edges? But I've got a plan for them when it's actually dry. So I am going to do my next stage to this one. I'm going to make room here because I'll leave the side of the puppy pad that I've got underneath to... You can either, if you're doing balloon kisses, have another canvas prepared to put your balloon kisses from your onto like this, so you can press them onto your onto your prepared canvas, but I'm not doing that today. You can also have card stock ready so you can make nice gift cards as you go along, but for the sake of this video I'm trying to just concentrate on the work at hand. If I was on my own doing it slowly, then I would probably make something of these lovely balloon kisses that's left on there. So keep bearing with me because this is gonna be a stunner. I can just feel it. If the colours are kind of falling in, keep your balloon wiped after every balloon kiss and kiss back again, so it takes a little bit more of that paint. Or the other trick is to walk away and leave your painting, maybe even for a good 20 minutes, half an hour, for it to dry off and come back and re-kiss it. Oh, these purples with that metallic in the gold, just stunning. When it's kind of dried off now, anyway, a little way, I will come back in with my smaller balloon. But that is looking gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I have a plan for the outer edge. I am actually going to let it dry and then I'm going to dry paint in it, I think. So bear with me, but I've got a little plan here that I'd like to do with the little white on my brush, is to just give it some little star effect in there. Just spray the white in so it's like in your background. It just gives a little bit nicer effect in the center, just like a starlit night Hawaiian look. Just adding just a little skewer to soften some of these edges, wiggling and then just out so they're not so kind of harsh. So you can also do this when it's dry and go with a gold marker and add to it, but I just really find it lovely to do it like even at this stage. I just like doing it. So you've got to find, you know, where you find your joy in your own art. Like I said, I'm leaving these edges and I'm going to let it dry, and I will follow through with a few other little tricks. I think, like I said, I'm going to go back in now with a smaller balloon and do some balloon kissing back in the center of those to really like create a nice inner effect, like it softens a whole lot up. Paint's pretty wet still, so I would get better results leaving it a bit longer. So it's just a tip for you guys. So wipe off your balloon after every balloon kiss, because then it's less chance of sending your paints muddy. But it's a nice little pastime there. And any areas you don't have to do all the centers, you can add, you know, a little bit of a balloon kiss here and there. It just all softens the whole thing up. I think that's lovely. I'm going to leave that to dry, and then we'll see what's just, I just will recoat the edges with the darker colour again, but I don't want to try and attempt it obviously while it's still wet. That is such a bright and vibrant piece for this season, and I hope you like it too. So look out for the finished product at the end, or I will add the end video if I do anything extra other than just finish off my edges. But really enjoyed that one. Super duper colours. Hope you love it too. Take care. Please don't get too caught up in this holiday season buying gifts, going to huge expenses and running a debit credit card up, because you can buy your friends and family gifts any time of year and create special meals any time of year, and that's less pressure on families. So my lovelies, please take care of yourselves before you can take care of anyone else. See you next time. Bye.
Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon, no place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use.